Today we are going to discuss the unit number 8, directed numbers. Read and understand what is in subtopic number 1, 8.1. I'm going to give you some examples for your subtopic number 8.2. Then as your note, you have to write this subtopic 8.2 adding directed numbers which are integers by using the number line. Then put number 1 and write this light blue color topic in page number 83, the sum of two positive integers. Then I am going to discuss three examples how to add two positive integers using the number line. Now look at my first example. It is positive 2 plus positive 3. Then we are going to start from 0. Then you have to find the first integer. Like this, we draw an arrow. Then the direction is your right hand side. So you have to place the arrowhead toward your right hand side like this. Starting from 0 to 2. Then you have to add 3. That means to the positive direction you have to move 3 places from where you are now. Now you are at positive 2. Let's move 3 places like this. 1, 2, 3. As in here, you can use single arrows or a direct arrow for 3 places like this. Now we have started from 0, then to the first integer 2, then the second integer positive 3. That means from 2 to your positive side 3 places. Now we are at positive 5. So we have to join the starting and the end point again. Then the direction is right hand side like this. Okay, now we are at positive 5. So the answer is, when we add positive 2 and positive 3, the answer will be positive 5. As your first example, copy this down to your notebook. Then let's see the second example. Positive 4 plus positive 3. Then again starting from 0, you have to find the first integer like this. It is positive 4. Then plus positive 3. Then towards your positive direction, you have to move 3 places like this. 1, 2, 3. Then you have to point arrows to indicate the direction. Now we are at positive 7. Then the third arrow set is to the answer. And we write the answer as positive 7. As you can see, we have to use 3 arrow sets. The first one to the first integer, then single arrows to the second integer. The last one is to mention the answer from 0. Okay, this will be my final example. The first integer is positive 5. Then starting from 0, moving towards positive 5. Then add positive 2. That means from 5, 2 places. 1, 2. Again, now we are at positive 7. Then starting from 0 to 7. The third arrow. The answer is positive 7. I think it is clear. Okay. Then after copying this down, these examples, you have to do exercise 8.1. After completing this exercise, again you have to write the next subtopic, the light blue color one given in page number 84. In this subtopic, we are going to discuss about the sum of two negative integers. In this part, we are going to add two negative values. Let's see our first example. You have to add negative 2 to negative 4. Okay. Same as before, we have to find the first integer. That means in here it is negative 4. Then starting from 0, you have to find negative 4. like this. Now what is the direction? It is your left hand side. So the arrow should be to your left. Then to negative side, 2 places. Negative 2 means to negative direction, 2 places. Then this is the negative direction. Then from negative 4, 1, 2. Again the arrow is like this. Then we have started from 0. Now we are at negative 6. Like this. And answer will be negative 6. Let's see the second example. You have to add negative 5 to negative 2. The first integer is negative 2. Starting from 0, find negative 2. It's like this. Then how many places? 5 places to the negative side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. Can you see? 5 places. Now we are at negative 7. You have to join 0 and the final point like this. Answer is negative 7. Okay. In your textbook, they didn't use these single arrows. They used only one arrow to indicate. In my third example, I am going to use that method. Now let's see. In that one, let's change this value, otherwise it will be difficult. Let's change it to negative 2. Okay, let's see. You have to add negative 2 and negative 3. The first integer is negative 3. Starting from 0 to the negative 3 like this. Then from negative 3, 2 places. That means 1 and 2. I am going to use one arrow now instead of the separate arrows. Only one arrow like this. Both methods are correct. Now we add negative 5 from 0 to negative 5. The answer will be negative 5. Clear? Then we have discussed 3 examples for this method, adding 2 negative integers. Then again you have your exercise for this part, exercise 8.2. You have to complete that exercise after these examples. Then the last subtopic for this subtopic is we are going to add 2 different values. That means positive ones and negative ones. You have to write that subtopic also. Put number 3 and write that light blue color topic. Then let's see some examples. Okay, see. Positive 3 plus negative 2. As you can see, one is a positive value, one is a negative value. Okay. The same rule applies here. You have to find the first integer starting from 0. Then 0 to positive 3. Like this. Then 2 negative values. That means from positive 3, you have to move 2 places towards your negative direction. Okay, from positive 3, 2 places to negative direction. Why is that? It is negative 2. Then 1 and 2. Don't forget to mention the direction using arrows, that is towards your negative. Now we have started our journey from 0. Now we are at positive 1. Then 0 to positive 1. 0 is here, positive 1 is here. So the arrow is towards your right hand side like this. Then the answer is positive 1. Now let's see the second example. Negative 6 plus positive 4. Here first integer is a negative value. Then from 0 to negative 6 like this. Okay. Now add positive 4. That means 4 places towards the positive direction from negative 6. Positive direction is to the right. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then the direction this way. Now we add negative 2. Then from 0 to negative 2. Direction here. බිඳුවේ ඉඳන් බලනකොට ඍණ දෙක තියෙන මෙහෙනේ. ඒකින්ද ඊතලයේ මෙහෙට. Answer is negative 2. Okay. Now our final example. Negative 4 plus positive 8. Then 0, negative 4. Arrow is to this side. Then positive 8. That means from negative 4 to the positive direction 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The arrows. Now we started from 0. Now we add positive 4. Then join these 2 points. Then from 0, when we look at the positive side, it is your right hand. The arrow should be facing the right hand side. Then the answer is positive 4. I think it is clear now. Okay. Then that's all for today's lesson. After completing this part, you have to do the next exercise also based on this subtopic. Complete all the exercises. Exercise 8.1, 8.2 and 8.3. Okay, then that's all for today. Thank you.